sikhona lana eNaturena kuyona Easter Top 8 tournament lapho khona esibona wona amaqembu agqoke lona ijezi elihle kakhulu lapho khona esibona iqembu eligqoke lona ijezi eliblue okuyiyona iKaizer FC ezodlala nayo 18 quality egqoke lona ijezi eliyellow okuyilona ijezi layo iKaizer Chiefs. Sizobona umdlalo omuhle kakhulu njengoba sibona namanje umdlalo sozoqala manje lapha khona sibona umdlali wayo Kaizer FC abagqoke lona ijezi eliblue. Singazi ukuthi iliphi iqembu eliyophumelela ngoba siyazi ukuthi umkhumula jezi i-knockout lasuka lahlala njengoba manje sibona yona Chiefs FC Kaizer FC. Kaizer FC. Continental. Quality. Kaizer FC. Na Kaizer FC. Paramisi Kaizer FC. Sasa yoni Kaizer FC. Na Kaizer FC. Tumela pambili Kaizer FC. Di ateka manti Kaizer FC. Na ya pambili. Sebenzi no sindi waye 18 quality. Kaizer FC. Yoni Kaizer FC manje athanda ukuhlasela. Sukumisa ibhola iKaizer FC. 18 Continental. 18 Continental. 18 quality. How does one answer 18 quality? 18 quality yaphambili. Kaizer FC. Sebenza 18 quality. Quality. Naya phambili 18 quality. How does one izozala manje 18 quality? Iyalishintsha ibhola manje, iyahlasela, iyaphambili manje 18 quality. How does one yenzala manje? Naye jika umuntu faka phakathi eboxini sebenza umdlalo wayo Kaizer FC. Sebenza Kaizer FC. Sebona Kaizer FC yalisukumisa ibhola. Sebenzi 18 quality elisukumisa ibhola Kaizer. Andizibona yenza ngekande 18 quality. 18 quality. Iyaphambili 18 quality ithanda ukuhlasela manje. Sebenza umdlali wayo Kaizer FC. Kaizer FC. Muhle lo mdlali thumela phambili. Baya phambili labadlali kuyintwanhle. Siyabona manje Kaizer FC yahlasela. Ubusa phakathi. Uwane Kaizer FC. Enele 18 quality. Muhle lo mdlalo. Muhle kakhulu lo mdlalo uyashisa. Shobona manje sibona Kaizer FC hamba ngegoli elilodwa phambili. Ilandele emuva i-18 quality. Uyashisa lo mdlalo. Akumoshwa isikhathi. Kuya phambili kuyona Easter Top 8 tournament eNaturena ziyayenzakala. Hadisibona manje izwenzani 18 quality elandele emuva ngegoli elilodwa ekandweni kubi madoda. Mina ngisesho ngithi khona abayilethile, khona bazoyilanda, asazi baphi abayilethile, ibaphi abazoyilanda. Njengoba manje sibona Kaizer FC ihamba ngegoli elilodwa eqandweni. Uyashisa lo mdlalo, i-knockout, umkhumula jezi, asazi ukuthi iliphi iqembu elizoya phambili. 18 quality. Thumela phambili 18 quality. Hadizibona manje sebenza umdlali wayo Kaizer FC. Thumela phambili Kaizer FC. Kaizer FC. Hadizibona enseni manje kayo. Umjika kahle. Kaizer FC faka phakathi eboxini ngamakanda. Sebenza umdlali wayo 18 quality. 18 quality. Hadizibona mshiya umdlali wayo i-18 quality. Uyona drawing ya Kaizer FC. Hadizibona wafuna phakathi ngamakanda eboxini. Sebenza umdlalo wayo 18 quality. Ashintsha kahle. Kodwa Sulumisa umdlalo wayo 18 quality. 18 quality. 18 quality. Uyaphambili 18 quality. Phumela ngaphandle. Phumela ngabona wathi wakuzoba yona i-free kick khona umdlali azange bomdlali kahle ngoba baphamisa lona inyawo esazi ukuthi start up ayifunakali emdlalweni webhola. Muhle lo mdlalo uyashisa lo mdlalo lapho khona Kaizer FC ehamba ngegoli elilodwa eqandeni. 18 quality asazi na izokwazi ukubuya. Hatizibona njengoba kwi-free kick yayo 18 quality ukuthi bazowenzani. Uzobuza ngoba isikhathi sawo ama-set piece bengithi ngiyabheka fakhona ikhona angahle alifake uzowenzani. Hatizibone ukuthi uzowenzani umdlali wayo 18 quality. Hatizibone wenzani uyafakhona wenzani. Isiphi iskill azosaplaya wabuza sebenza unozinti wayo Kaizer FC. Thanda ukukumbuza emakhaya Kaizer FC igqoke lona ijezi eliblue 18 quality igqoke lona ijezi eliyellow helayo iKaizer Chiefs. Kaizer FC 18 quality 18 quality 18 quality basalithunga ashintsha kahle helbeto yona nozinti wayo Kaizer FC. Hatizibone wenzani unozinti Kaizer FC hlala ngaphola umdlali wayo Kaizer wabuza phakathi sebenza unozinti wayo Kaizer FC mudele nozinti Spiderman. Hatizibone uzenzani unozinti balisuse move ibhola sebenza lo mdlalo udlala ngaphola umdlali wayo eqoleni kwebhali kathathu uyabuza eqoleni kwebhali uzoba yona goal kick yayo Kaizer FC. Suze move Kaizer FC ngazo zonke isikhathi okuyingozi 18 quality 18 quality. Kusasa yona 18 quality manje. Hathi sibona 18 quality uzonzani. 18 quality. Kwathiwa khona ongadlalanga kahle okuzoba yona ibhola layo Kaizer FC. Free kick yayo Kaizer FC. Hatizibona uzwenzani uzonozinti ngoba yena uzokhathala thumela phambili ubafuna ngamakhanda. Hatizibona wenza 1 pound sebenza unozinti wayo 18 quality thumela phambili 18 quality sebenza ngekhanda umdlali wayo Kaizer FC. Throw in yayo 18 quality. Hatizibona bazenzani ngayo le throw in uzothumela phambili abafuna ngamakhanda uzenzani. Hatizibona bafuna ngamakhanda sebenza umdlalo wayo 18 quality 18 quality angayiboni kahle 18 quality okwamanje thumela phambili Kaizer FC. Iyahlasela iKaizer FC mephethe ibhola ithumela phambili ngazo zonke isikhathi iKaizer FC sebenza abadlali bayo 18 quality Kaizer FC 18 quality throw in yayo 18 quality. Throwing yayo 18 quality. Hatizibone wenzani sebenza umdlalo wayo 18 quality 18 quality. Hatizibone wenzani 18 quality ngale bhola. Beautiful pass from kuyona 18 quality. Wamjika kahle sebenza umdlali wayo Kaizer FC 18 quality. Ungaseyona 18 quality. Hatizibone wenzani 18 quality 18 quality. Goloni jezi layo iKaizer Chiefs. Ezazi ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs kuwona ama-finals wayo iNedbank Cup eyobibhekane nayo i-Orlando Pirates. Singazi ukuthi wona lo mdlalo ungahle usibonise ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs izokwenza njengoba namanje sibona yena iKaizer FC. Oyawa yona goal kick yayo 18 quality. Tiwa corner kick goal kick. Goal kick yayo 18 quality. Hodisibone bazenzani ngale bhola njengoba ngisasho ngithi bagqoke lona ijezi la iKaizer Chiefs i18 quality hesazi ukuthi Orlando Pirates iyobe ibhekane nayo iKaizer Chiefs kuyona iNedbank lapho khona mina engazi ukuthi ngempela okuyenzakalani kuyona iNedbank Cup kodwa siwona lo mdlalo lapho khona engazi ukuthi ngempela kwenzakaleni manje okuthiwa yona free kick iyayo Kaizer FC khona umdlali abamdlali kabi wayo iKaizer FC Nabethi bhola iKaizer FC ithanda ukuthumela phambili Hodisibone manje bazenzani ngale bhola uthumela kuyena unozinto wakho Hodisibone manje uyona iKaizer FC sebenza umdlalo wa18 quality 18 quality 18 quality Barelexile 18 quality 18 quality 18 quality in 18 wabuza 18 quality Hodisibone yenzani manje 18 quality iyahlasela dlala ngomsebenzi 18 quality dlala ngebhola uzoba yona throwing yayo Kaizer FC Kaizer FC 18 quality 18 quality Hodisibone busela move 18 quality 18 quality 18 quality Obo 18 quality Kaizer FC iyahlasela iKaizer FC Kaizer FC muhle jezi number 10 uwayo iKaizer FC Hodisibone wenzani lo mdlalo Kaizer FC ngesikele dlala ngebhola umdlalo kuthasela iKaizer FC but play on 18 quality 18 quality dlala ngebhola abadlali ba 18 ngesenda umdlalo wa iKaizer FC yaphumela ngaphandle okuzoba yona drawing yayo Kaizer FC sebenza umdlalo wayo 18 quality 18 quality Hodisibone enzani thumela phambili umdlalo wayo 18 quality waya ngethubane Hodisibone manje yenzani manje iKaizer FC nayi iKaizer FC okusaseyona ithumela move ibhola esikeze thumela phambili manje ibafuna emekana sebenza abadlali bayo 18 quality 18 quality Hodisibone manje yenzani le coding ngala ball thumela phambili akunamuntu 18 quality sebenza umdlali wayo Kaizer FC Kaizer FC Hodisibone free kick ya Kaizer FC Kaizer FC Hodisibone wenzani ujezi number 10 Kaizer FC okusaseyona Kaizer FC mabethe ibhola iKaizer FC ayimoshi isikhathi iya phambili ithi sikhona lana siyayifuna hasilethanga siyayifuna one point Hodisibone ngekani yenzani manje mude lo mdlali unkumbuza undlela sebenza Kaizer uyona 18 quality Kaizer FC Kaizer FC Kaizer FC Kaizer FC saseyona iKaizer FC phethelona ibhola manje iyahlasela sebenza umdlali wayo 18 quality free kick yayo Kaizer FC uyashisa lo mdlalo thana unkumbuze emakhaya Kaizer FC ihamba ngegoli elilodwa phambili 18 quality ilandele emuva njengoba uyi free kick Hodisibone bazenzani bafuna ngamakhanda uzawubuza ngamakhanda ufaka phaka phezulu kwamabhali kanti uyazama lo mfana uzamile cishe lingena muhle lo mdlalo njengoba namanje sibona kuyona goal kick iyayo 18 quality 18 quality 18 quality Hodisibone uzenzani lo mdlalo unalo ithubani ngempela okuyoba yona corner kick iyayo 18 quality iyashesha manje 18 quality ifuna ukuequalizer ngoba ilandele emuva ngegoli elilodwa eqandeni ngamakhanda sebenza nozinti njengoba ngingasho ngathi mude nozinti wayo iKaizer FC 18 quality awudizibona yenzana 18 quality manje naye iyahlasela manje iya phambili akusaseyona 18 quality 18 quality wathiwa bamdlale kabi umdlali wayo i-18 quality njengoba yona free kick iyayo i-18 quality. Awudizibona bazenzani ngalo le bhola ngoba balandela emuva mabafuna uku-equalizer mabafuna ukuphumelela kumele baye phambili. Awudizibona ukuthi bazenzani ngayo le free kick muhle lo mdlalo khona lana eNaturena eyaziwa ngayo iStartop8. Awudizibona benzani ngayo le free kick ngamakhanda siyabenza abadlali bayo iKaizer FC. Kaizer FC sebenza umdlali wayo 18 quality 18 quality bridge 18 quality what a skill from kuyona 18 quality kusaseyona 18 quality beautiful passes short passes wamjika kahle okusaseyona 18 quality. Awudizibona back pass phakathi one Kaizer FC one 18 quality. Ngiyangasho ngathi mabafuna inqaku kumele baye phambili. Into sibonayo manje eyenziwa yona i-18 quality iya phambili manje njengoba manje siqeda ukubona i-on goal one Kaizer FC one 18 quality Kaizer FC. Thumela phambili Kaizer FC hakuna muntu lizambela lodwa nangumdlali wayo 18 quality iqeda ukufaka inqaku iqeda u-equalizer igokelona ijezi layo iKaizer Chiefs esingazi ukuthi nayo iKaizer Chiefs izoyenza lezi esizibonayo namhlanje mabadlala nayo Orlando Pirates kuyona iNedbank eCup final. Njengoba sibona umdlalo omuhle kanje lana eNaturena yona top 8 18 phumela ngaphandle ukuzoba yona throw-in yayo 18 quality but a free kick yayo 18 quality. Awudizibona uzwenzani uzolifaka phakathi eboxini into kumele bayenze mele bayithumele phambili mabafuna amanqaku into bayenza ngamakhanda sebenza umdlalo wayo Kaizer FC thumela phambili hakuna muntu okuyona 18 quality wenzani umdlalo wayo 18 quality uyoba yona throw-in yayo 18 quality. Uyashisa lo mdlalo esaziyo ukuthi umkhumula jezi i-knockout. Mina ngisabuza ngithi ibapha balethile ibapha bazoyilanda winner takes all kodwa basasebenzela ukuya kuwona amafinali okungekho lula ukuyona i-throw-in yayo 18 quality ngekhanda 18 quality. Thumela phambili 18 quality awuzibona enzani 18 quality ukuyona mayobuza 18 quality. Thatha isikhathi ukumele ungabe ubuzile Kaizer FC Kaizer FC awuzibona enzani manje Kaizer FC thumela ngaphandle ibhola kuzoba throw-in yayo throw-in yayo Kaizer FC. Awuzibona izenzani Kaizer FC ngalo bhola thwasona throw-in free kick yayo Kaizer FC. Muhle lo mfana wayo iKaizer FC makaphethe ibhola. Awuzibona ngiyababona ababili abadlali bayo awuzibona uzenzani Fabani amakhanda. Sebenza uNozindi wayo 18 quality. Hadisibona enzani 18 quality. 18 quality. 18 quality. Hadisibona 18 quality enzani manje. Na 18 quality iyalithunga. Iyaphambili 18 quality. Sebenza umdlalo wayo. Kaizer FC. Elton quality. Hadisibona thumela phambili. Sebenza umdlalo wayo. Sebenza uNozindi wayo. Kaizer FC. Kaizer FC. Phumela ngaphandle. Uyoba thobeni ya 18 quality. Kaizer FC. Sebenza ngekhanda. Umdlalo wayo Kaizer. 18 quality. 18 quality. Kaizer FC. Kaizer FC. Hadisibona enzani. Kaizer FC. Thumela phambili umdlalo wayo 18 quality. 18 quality. Usaseyona 18 quality. 18 quality. 18 hadisibona enzani umdlalo wayo. Sebenza umdlalo wayo. Kaizer FC. Usaseyona 18 quality. Kaizer FC. Kaizer FC. 18 quality. Thumela phambili 18 quality. Hadisibona enzani manje 18 quality. Abusa. Sebenza umdlalo wayo Kaizer FC. Thumela phambili umdlalo. Kaizer 18. Kaizer FC. Thumela phambili Kaizer FC. Ukusaseyona Kaizer FC. Sebenza umdlalo wayo 18 quality. 18 quality. Hadisibona enzani 18 quality. Sumisa kahle umdlalo wayo 18 quality. Kaizer FC. Kaizer FC. Kaizer FC. Waye kahle lo mdlalo. Dlala ngebhola. 18 quality. 18 quality. Yisendaweni eyingozi kakhulu. 18 quality. Thumela phambili. Kaizer FC. Kaizer FC. Hadisibona enzani Kaizer FC. Free kick. Iyayo. Kaizer FC. Uyashisa lo mdlalo. Khona balethile. Khona baselanda. Angazi ukuthi baphi abalethile. Ibaphi abazoyilanda ngoba siyazi umkhumula chezi i-knockout khona lana eNaturena is the top 8 soccer tournament. Shoba kuyona free kick yayo Kaizer FC. Phakathi Sebenza uNozindi wayo 18 quality. Beautiful save. Nekhanda Kaizer FC. Oyoba yona. Shinja kahle 18 quality. 18 quality. Kaizer FC. Kaizer FC. 18 quality. 18 quality. Sadlalela move 18 quality. Saseyona Kaizer FC. Sadlalela move 18 quality. Oyingozi omele bayithumela phambili mabaliphethe ibhola ngazo zonke isikhathi ngoba sibonile iKaizer FC naba futhi badlala ngegetse okuseliwe phakathi 2-1 2-18 quality 1 Kaizer FC. Angazi iKaizer FC iyenzani kulo mdlalo. I-back pass kwenzakalani asazi. Ihamba phambili i-18 equality ngamagoli amabili kwelilodwa. Iyona beyilandele emuva i-18 quality. Amatafula athande ukushintsha manje. Iyona ehamba phambili i-18 quality. Howa manje okusaseyona i-first half iyawo lo mdlalo owaziwa ngayo Easter top 8 soccer tournament khona lana eNaturena. Njengoba manje kuyona free kick iyayo Kaizer FC. Ngamakhanda hadisibona Sebenza uNozindi 18 quality. 18 quality. Thola phambili 18 quality. Hadisibona na 18 quality. Iyahlasela manje 18 quality. lamshiya umdlalo wayo i-18 quality yoyidraw yayo Kaizer FC. Kaizer FC hodisibona enzani Kaizer FC manje Kaizer FC sebenza umdlalo wayo 18 quality 18 quality ukusaseyona 18 quality ehamba phambili ngamakhola amabili kwelilodwa iyahlasela kwathiwa offside. Ilandele emuva iKaizer FC ngegoli elilodwa kwamabili. Hamba phambili ngamagoli amabili kwelilodwa i-18 quality. Kaizer FC beautiful passes. Kaizer FC umjika beautiful scan. Kaizer FC one-on-one keeper. Kaizer FC kwenzakaleni manje? Kwathiwa free kick. Free kick. Thumela phambili Kaizer FC. Handball. Free kick. Iyayo 18 quality. Uyashisa lo mdlalo. Khona lana. Henachurena lapho khona 18 quality ehamba ngamagoli amabili kwelilodwa ilandele emuva iKaizer FC 18 quality hodisibona enzani 18 quality kadade uyandlula but awukwazi ukudlula sikhona lana Kaizer FC shintsha kahle Kaizer FC elandele emuva hodisibona lamshiya umdlalo wayo iKaizer FC okuba yona drawing iyayo 18 quality. Umkhumula jezi angazi mina iliphi iqembu eliyophumelela namhlanje. Hodisibona enzani 18 quality phakathi eboxini 18 quality wajika wabusa eqeleni kwepale uyashisa lo mdlalo iyahlasela i-18 quality hithi siyayifuna asilethanga kodwa mina ngazi nawulapha ekhaya awazi ngoba kusaseyona i-first half yawo lo mdlalo. Hodisibona yenzani 18 quality iyahlasela manje ayimoshi isikhathi iya phambili i-18 quality njengoba namanje esibona kulona ibhola layo Kaizer FC tiwa offside iyayo 18 quality. Uyashisa lo mdlalo akumoshwa isikhathi omabili lamaqembu mawaphethe ibhola haya phambili wadlala ngabhola wadlala ngomsebenzi hodisibona enzani umdlalo wayo iKaizer FC asikho isikhathi seyitayela umoshi isikhathi throwing yayo Kaizer FC 18 quality iyahlasela yasebenza iKaizer FC ozoba yona corner kick iyayo 18 quality iyahlasela i-18 quality jona manje sizobona ukuthi izenzani ngayo le drawing. Umkhumula jezi hodisibone izenzani 18 quality ehamba ngamagoli amabili kwelilodwa kuyona le first half. Hodisibone bazenzani uzobafuna ngamakhanda dlala ngayo ikhona kick 18 quality. 18 quality. To a offside. To a offside. Uyona offside yayo. Kaizer FC. Igale kahle iKaizer FC. Ihlasela iya phambili. Yakwazi ukufaka inqaku iKaizer FC. Kodwa manje angayiboni kahle iKaizer FC. Hoyoba yona throwing yayo Kaizer FC. Sebenza umdlalo wayo ngekhanda 18 quality. Kaizer Sobosa sebenza nozinti. What a shot. Kuyena umdlalo wayo Kaizer FC. 18 quality. Kaizer FC. 18 quality. 18 quality. 18 quality. How does one man Kaizer FC yenzani? Na Kaizer FC dlala bakuzoba yana free kick. Hiyayo Kaizer FC. Muhle lo mdlalo. Uyashisa. Isona isombe soqala lapho i18 quality ihamba ngamagoli amabili. iKaizer FC ilandela ngegoli elilodwa njengamanje okuyiyona free kick yayo Kaizer FC ilandela emuva. Hawusibone bazenzani ngale free kick ngamakhanda. Sebenza Kaizer quality. Quality. 18 quality. Play on. Quality. Sebenza abadlali bayo Kaizer FC. Sebenza umdlali wayo 18 quality. Wathi ngona la emuva angikho ngephutha. What a pass. Hawusibona manje yahlasela 18 quality kusaseyona. Hawusibona Kaizer FC yasebenza emuva iKaizer FC. 18 quality. 18 quality. Iyahlasela sebenza nozinti wa iKaizer FC thuma phambili ngekhanda 18 quality. Khona umdlalo ozobhlungu wayo Kaizer FC. Uyambona ureferee wawumisa umdlalo. Ufuna usizo lokuqala. Usizo lokuqala liyafuneka enkundleni. Uzwe ubuhlungu. Siyabona usizwa omunye umdlali kuhlelane eNaturena. Abantu baphume ngobuningi bathi sifuna ukubona ukuthi iliphi iqembu elizokwazi ukuphumelela liye phambili kuona ama-quarter final, ngoba ngempela bayekuona ama-semi-finals, ngoba yona i-top 8 abaphumelelayo namhlanje bayakuona ama-semi-finals wawo lo mdlalo. Njengoba namanje sibona yobayana throwing yayo 18 quality. 18 quality. Athi wabusa 18 quality. Okusaseyona kiphela ngaphandle. Okuzoba yona ibhola layo Kaizer FC. Uyashisa lo mdlalo. Uyashisa lo mdlalo. Uyashisa lo mdlalo. Goal kick yayo Kaizer FC. Sebenza ngekhanda. Hawusibona enzani Kaizer FC wabusa. Eceleni webhale. Eceleni. Yinhle into engibonayo. First touch. Buza mobhekane nawo amapali mabhakane naye unozinti ungemoshi isikhathi shoba kuyona goal kick iyayo 18 quality sebenza umdlalo wayo hoyo wayona thowini yayo 18 quality Kaizer FC Kaizer FC Kaizer FC half time abadlali manje basahamba bayothola wona ama tips basayozwa ama coach ukuthi hathini ngoba uyashisa lo mdlalo lapho khona 18 quality ehamba ngamagoli amabili Kaizer FC hilandele emuva ngegoli elilodwa kuyona Easter Top 8 Soccer Tournament khona lana eNaturena Kaizer FC iqale kahle lo mdlalo njengoba manje sibona iKaizer siyakuyona iKaizer FC yibona abakwazile ukufaka inqaku qala yalandela emuva i18 quality hangazi kwenzakalani own goal yakwazi uequalizer i18 quality again Kaizer FC another mistake they've done back pass yakwazi ukuthola elinye inqaku 18 quality njengamanje ngiyathemba icoach ikhuluma nabo iyabatshela ukuthi nuphethe umdlalo maniya phambili nenza kahle nisebenza kahle kodwa emuva khulumi hangazi ukuthi kwenzakalani kodwa ngiyathemba ukuthi icoach into ebabuza yona hebatshela yona ukuthi kumele balungise emuva ngoba kukhona lapho hoxeka khona kuyona iKaizer FC esiyamanje kuyona 18 quality siyabona kuyona i18 quality icoach ikhuluma nabo iyasho ukuthi nuphethe umdlalo kumele maniphethe ibhola niye phambili ngoba sibonile makuqala wona umdlalo beningayi phambili beni relaxed till iKaizer FC managed to score a first goal. It's when you've started to shape up and to move forward is what we've been seeing from Kuyona 18 quality ngoba ngempela lo mdlalo muhle kakhulu nabalandeli baphumile ngobuningi niyababona bakhona bazo enjoya ama East khona lana enkundleni okuyinto enhle kakhulu ngama Easter siyazi ukuthi ibhola ngempela liyadlalwa hayi kuwona ama tournament okuyinto enhle eyenziwa yona iNaturena njengamanje okusaseyona half time yawo lo mdlalo nibabona abantu niyababona abafana abancane nabo bakhahlela ibhola into yenzakalayo ngaso sonke isikhathi einkundleni emalokishini makuye half time abafana abancane nabo bathi nathi sifuna ungena enkundleni siza ukuthi inkundla injani okuyinto enhle ngoba mabasuka lana siyobabona nabo bagijimela wona amaqembu amakhulu bona labafana laba enibabonayo manje abancane bayasidlalela nje okuyinto enhle kakhulu engibonayo khona lana eNaturena. Ngisabuza ngithi iliphi iqembu elilethile, iliphi iqembu elizolanda, mina angazi na ulapha ekhaya ufana nami uyazibuza uthi iliphi elilethile, iliphi elizolanda njengamanje. So ezoqala i-second half ngoba ngiyabona ngempela nangamaqembu ayazilungisa abuyela enkundleni lapho khona i-18 quality ihamba ngamagoli amabili. I-Kaizer FC ilandele emuva ngegoli elilodwa njengamanje. Uyabona bakhuluma naye ujezi number 10 bathi mfana uyalazi ibhola mawufika phambili ungamoshi isikhathi ubuze okuyinto enhle engibonayo khona lana eNaturena kuyona Easter Top 8 Soccer Tournament. Ziyawa sozoqala umdlalo siyabona Kaizer FC bahlangene bayathandaza bathi siyazi ukuthi ngempela singahle sibuye ngoba sikwazile ukufaka inqaku uqala umdlalo. Singazi kuyona i-second half bazoyenza into abayenzile kuyona i-first half. Njengamanje siyakuyona i-second half yawona umdlalo omuhle kangaka wayo 18 quality nayo i-Kaizer FC. Kaizer FC igqokelona ijezi eli-blue, 18 quality igqokelona ijezi eli-yellow. Helayo i-Kaizer Chiefs ihamba phambili i-18 quality. Ngingazi ukuthi i-Orlando Pirates mayehlangana nayo i-Kaizer Chiefs into esizoyibona esibonayo namhlanje khona lana eNaturena kuyona Easter Top 8 Soccer Tournament. Njengamanje siyabona bazilungiselela uqala yona i-second half yawo lo mdlalo esimbonayo umdlali wayo i-18 quality kuyena ozolisusa ibhola. Hathi sibone kuzoyenzakalani. Sozoqala umdlalo omuhle kakhulu khona lana eNaturena. Ziyenzekala ngazo zonke isikhathi. Mina ngithi into esibonayo eNaturena siyawabona lamaqembu siyabona lana eNaturena. Hathi sibone umdlalo sozoqala manje kusashintsha o-linesman bayashintsha o-linesman manje ukuze bakwazi ukusiza ureferee especially kuwona ama-offside. Basebenza kakhulu Oh lies many ngoba sibonile Kaizer Chiefs mayidlala nayo iSundowns kuyona iNedbank iyakhala iSundowns hithi bokune offside mina hangazi kodwa siwona lo mdlalo omuhle kangaka lapho khona esibona yona 18 quality egqokelona ijezi eliyelo Kaizer FC egqokelona ijezi eliblue elizosuswa manje yona i18 quality susele emuva thumela phambili 18 quality 18 quality 18 quality iya phambili manje 18 quality iyahlasela 18 quality itasmosha isikhathi 18 quality kusaseyona 18 quality awuzibona enzani manje 18 quality iya phambili 18 quality ayimosha isikhathi manje na 18 quality i18 quality 18 quality ayimosha isikhathi beautiful passes wabusa 18 quality Sebenza umdlali wayo Kaizer FC wamosha isikhathi umdlali wayo i18 quality aphakathi eboxini njengamanje kuzoba yona throw in iyayo i18 quality awuzibona yenzani 18 quality 18 quality 18 quality okusaseyona 18 quality iyahlasela ethi wamuyisa bathi play yone Sebenza ngekhanda umdlali wayo 18 quality thumela phambili awuzibona yenzani manje Kaizer FC uyashisa lo mdlalo uqala ukusuka qala ukudlala awuyinto enhle kakhulu engiyibonayo khona lana eNaturena wazwala umdlalo wayo Kaizer FC 18 quality 18 quality azibonenzana umdlalo wayo 18 quality wamjika kahle 18 quality iyahlasela manje iyaphambili iyalifuna linye inqako iyalifuna hitangabi sedizi ngamanqako amabili ngivuna abemaningi lamanqako awuzibona njengoba kuyona goal kick iyayo Kaizer FC thumela phambili unozinto wayo Kaizer FC sebenza umdlalo wayo 18 quality Kaizer FC 18 quality khona umdlalo kabe uzoba yona free kick iyayo Kaizer FC uyashisa lo mdlalo uyashisa siyabona uRobruki bayona yellow card uthi umdlali ungamdlali omunye umdlali kabe free kick iyayo Kaizer FC awubona uzenzani ngalona bhola thumela phambili wenzani nguyena bengelisa phambili bongeke ngimoshe isikhathi bengelisa phambili ngoba isikhathi asikho Hodisbone ukuthi ngempela izenzani iKaizer FC thumela phambili ngamakhanda sebenza 18 quality Kaizer FC 18 quality iyaphambili 18 quality what a pass awuzibona yenzani manje 18 quality iyona yaphambili i18 quality iyahlasela i18 quality iyaphambili ngaso sonke isikhathi throwing yayo Kaizer FC throwing yayo Kaizer FC awuzibone yenzani Kaizer FC ngalo la bola thumela phambili ngoba ilandela emuva awuzibone goal kick iyayo Kaizer FC thumela phambili unozinto wayo Kaizer FC sebenza ngekhanda umdlalo wayo 18 quality sebenza umdlalo wayo Kaizer FC shintsha kahle 18 quality faka phakathi eboxini 18 quality wabusa TY thinte ngezandla umdlali wayo i18 quality ukuzoba yona free hiyayo Kaizer FC. Harisibona uzenzani unozinti mele ayithumele phambili asisekho isikhathi siyahamba isikhathi ngoba siyazi umkhumula jezi thumela phambili bafuna amakhala sebenza umdlali wayo 18 quality ukusaseyona 18 quality beautiful touches beautiful pass from Guyana 18 quality to offside hiyayo Kaizer FC. Hilandele emuva Kaizer FC sazi izokwazi uku-equalizer i-Kaizer FC kuwona lo mdlalo kodwa siyazi umkhumula jezi i-knockout kumele kube khona iqembu eliphumelelayo namhlanje likwazi ukuya kuwona ama-semifinal wayo i-Easter Top 8 soccer tournament iyakhona lana eNaturena okuyinto enhle kakhulu esiyibonayo henziwa yizona izakhamuzi zakhona lana eNaturena ukhosta ama-tournament amahle afana nalana okuyinto enhle okumele ukuthi ihlale yenzakala ngaso sonke isikhathi njengoba manje sibona yona Kaizer FC How does one enzani Kaizer FC ngalo la bhola kusaseyona beautiful pass from Kaizer FC ikhona lana line Kaizer FC iyahlasela isumisa phezulu sebenza umdlalo wayo 18 quality na 18 quality here phambili 18 quality na 18 quality 18 kusaseyona 18 quality beautiful pass from Guyana 18 quality iyahlasela 18 how does one enzani manje 18 quality kusaseyona 18 quality khona umdlali ozobhlungu wayo Kaizer FC angazi kwenzakaleni uzwe ubhlungu asiyona into enhle esifuna ukuyibona ngazo zonke isikhathi enkundleni ukubona abadlali bezwa ubhlungu ngoba sifuna ukubabona abagijimela wona amaqembu amakhulu kuyona Betway Premiership. How this one is kuyona free kick hiyayo Kaizer FC izenzani ngalo la bhola thumela phezulu sebenza ngana Kaizer FC na Kaizer FC awuzibona uzalo umdlalo Kaizer FC sebenza umdlalo wayo saseyona Kaizer FC phumela ngaphandle uzoba yona throw-in hiyayo Kaizer FC. Kaizer FC awuzibona enzani manje Kaizer FC iyahlasela awuzibona manje iyayivula inkundla ukuzoba yona throw-in hiyayo Kaizer FC siyabona iyahlasela Kaizer FC ifuna u-equalizer sebenza abadlali bayo 18 quality Kaizer FC 18 quality hiya phambili 18 quality hayi moshi isikhathi bathi shaya imoto hiya phambili ungamoshi isikhathi iyahlasela 18 quality njengoba manje isaphambili Kaizer FC what a skill Kaizer FC undlela Kaizer FC awuzibona enzani manje Kaizer FC beautiful pass Kaizer FC muhle lo mdlali wayi Kaizer FC 18 18, what a pass. 18 quality. Now 18 quality. To our offside. Offside. Hold offside. Here are your Kaizer FC. Offside. Here are your Kaizer FC. Nekanda 18 quality. 18 quality. 18 quality. Sebenza umdlali wayo Kaizer FC. Kaizer FC. Hadibona uzokwazi ukujika. Kaizer FC. 18 quality wabuza 18 quality. Okusasayona nto sebenza umdlali wayo Kaizer FC. Sasayona Kaizer ngesithende umdlali wayo Kaizer FC. Kaizer FC. 18 quality. Kaizer FC. Tumela phambili Kaizer. How does my atlasela? Now image Kaizer FC. What is called from number 12 for Kaizer FC? Okusasayona 18 quality. Kaizer FC. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. 18 quality. 18 quality. 18 quality. 18 quality. 18 quality. What a skill. Wazwela. Phakathi eboxeni. Kaizer FC. Kaizer FC. Dlala ngebhola. Umdlali wakhe Kaizer FC. Kaizer FC ngebukhanda. Kaizer FC. Kaizer FC. Kaizer FC. Iyaphambili, iyahlasela, bathishaya imoto, asike isikhathi, sambili isikhathi, shaya imoto, wamjika kahle, okusaseyona Kaizer FC, what a pass, Kaizer FC, wajika, wabusa undlela, phezulu kwamabhale. Muhle lo mdlali wayo iKaizer FC jersey number 7 khona lana nathurana bamazi ngala igama lika Jomo kodwa mina sengimuphi igama lika Ndlela ngoba siyazi uNdlela umude njengaye Kedadlala njengaye ibhola hodisibone 18 quality 18 quality 18 quality what a pass 18 quality sebenza unozinti wayo Kaizer FC thumela phambili Kaizer FC jersey number 10 what a wabusa eqoleni deflection deflection hakuzoba yona corner kick hiyayo Kaizer T1 goal kick asiyona corner kick goal kick hadisibone khona ushintsho holenziwayo hadisibone ngathi khona ushintsho holenziwayo angazi why who hamise wona umdlalo urevumise wona umdlalo khona ushintsho olwenziwayo khona umdlali ongenayo manje 18 quality 18 quality 18 quality phumela ngaphandle ibhola uzoba yona draw in hiyayo 18 quality sebenza ngekhanda umdlalo wayo Kaizer FC uyoba drawing yayo 18 quality 18 quality 18 quality iyabambile 18 quality what a pass a beautiful pass on this ball party eceleni ngepani iyahlasela i-18 quality ifuna helinye inqaku Kaizer FC 18 quality 18 quality 18 kwabuza phakathi sebenza unozinti wasebenza unozinti wayo iKaizer FC okuyona corner kick iyayo 18 quality ngamakhanda hodisibona bazonza sebenza umdlalo wayo Kaizer FC 18 Sasena 18 quality khuphula ibhola ngesebenza ngekhanda uNdlela abamaziyo bamazi ngelika Jomo kodwa mina sengimuphi igama uNdlela umdlali wayo iKaizer FC ngenxa yokuthi mude ngoba naye uNdlela kade mude makasadlala lona ibhola kuyashisa khona lana enatshurana hodisibona thumela phambili 1 pounds sebenza uNozindi wayo 18 quality thumela phambili 18 quality 18 quality 18 quality what a pass 18 quality 18 quality okusaseno dlala ngebhola umdlalo wa 18 quality just number 10 Kaizer 1-on-1 saseyona Kaizer FC dlala ngebhola iKaizer FC 18 quality khibela ngaphandle uzoba yona throw yayo 18 quality Holizibona bafuna ngamakhanda 18 quality 18 wamdlala labo umdlalo wayo 18 quality uzoba yona free kick yayo 18 quality bamdlala kabe lo mdlali Hodisibone kuzenzakalani ngayo la free kick njengamanje uma ubuka wona lo mdlalo 18 quality ihamba ngamagoli amabili Kaizer FC ilandela ngegoli elilodwa Hodisibone ngekhanda sebenza umdlali wayo Kaizer Mela phambili Hodisibone 18 quality goalkeeper uzwe ubuhlungu wayo i-18 quality siyazi goalkeeper makawuzwe ubuhlungu mele umdlalo umiswe ukuze akwazi ukuthola usizo lokuqala awukwazi ukukhiphela uNozinti ngaphandle kumele umdlalo ume ukuze aze alulame uNozinti uyashisa lo mdlalo Hokawayilona ibhola layo 18 quality elithumela phambili Kaizer FC quality 18 quality phakathi eboxeni 18 quality obuza 18 quality eceleni kwebhali iyahlasela i-18 quality kuyona le second half ihamba ngamagoli amabili kwelilodwa i-18 quality kuyona i-second half Hodisibone njengoba kuyona goal kick hiyayo iKaizer FC uzenzani uNozinti uthumela phambili owenzani uthumela phambili ubafuna ngamakhanda asisekho isikhathi sambili isikhathi khona balethile khona bazoyilanda njengoba sibona Kaizer FC nangundlela walisukumisa uNdlela nangundlela Kaizer FC 18 quality step over what a pass 18 quality phakathi wasebenza umdlali wayo iKaizer FC uyashisa lo mdlalo uyashisa uma bowungekho uphuthelwe uyashisa lo mdlalo ngisasibuza kuwona umdlalo wayo iKaizer Chiefs nayo iOrlando Pirates ngayo iNedbank Cup final sizobona umdlalo omuhle njengalona. Hawuthi sibone ensane quality free kick thumela phambili sebenza quality quality Kaizer FC Kaizer FC Kaizer FC Kaizer FC Kaizer kusasayona Kaizer FC Kaizer FC wamjika thumela phambili sebenza umdlalo wayo quality quality equality dlala ngebhola Kaizer FC 1 Kaizer FC Kaizer FC kusasayona sebenza umdlalo wayo quality Kaizer quality hadisibona washintsha kahle iyahlasela handball okuzoba yona free kick hiyayo Kaizer FC uyashisa lo mdlalo khona balethile khona bazoyilanda njengoba sazi ukuthi inokati asazi njengoba simbona unozinto athumela phambili wayo Kaizer FC wasebenza ngekhanda phezulu wamabhale kanti uyabuza umdlali wayo Kaizer FC sambili isikhathi shonile ilanga ngathi litenda ukulishonela iKaizer FC kodwa asazi ngoba umdlalo usadlalwa siyazi kungahle kwenzakale okungayenzakala hathi sibone ukuthi kwenzakalani manje okuyona 18 quality lithumela phambili 18 quality thumela ngaphandle kuzoba draw ya 18 quality heya phambili iyahlasela ayimoshi isikhathi hathi sibone 18 phakathi eboxini wabusa phakathi eboxini wamosha isikhathi thumela phambili okuyona Kaizer FC 18 Kaizer nayo iKaizer hathi sibone iKaizer enzani yadlala ngebhola iKaizer thiwa offside yayo 18 quality iKaizer bomele kungabe kuyoba same time ngabe ngempela sikhuluma okunye manje Kaizer sabona abadlali abanemaneze bathi lona ibhola layo 18 quality abadlali bayo Kaizer FC bathi hayi referee ibhola lethu wayinikeza yona i18 quality sambele isikhathi khona balethile khona bazoyilanda mina ngazi noma uyaphekaya nangumfana abamfakayo wayo 18 quality hathi sibone uzoyenzani khona into azoyenza hathi sibone Kaizer sasayona iKaizer phumela ngaphandle wazile ugayela kahle ibhola unozinti uzoba yona goal kick yayo 18 quality siyambona umdlali wayo i18 quality abaqeda ukumfaka ngamboni aphethe ibhola ngifuna ukumbona makaliphethe ibhola ngathi udlala emuva mangithanda ukubuka 18 quality lamlola okuzoba yona throw-in yayo Kaizer FC sambili isikhathi throw-in ngesithende Kaizer FC iyahlasela sebenza umdlali wayo 18 quality 18 quality iyahlasela uware pass uware scan 18 quality akunamuntu 18 quality 18 quality phakathi eboxini athi sibonenzane 18 quality saseyona 18 quality isasephakathi eboxini 18 quality dlala ngebhola 18 quality uzoba yona ibhola layo Kaizer FC thumela phambili akunamuntu phambili wasebenza umdlali wayo K 18 quality sebenzile umdlali wayo 18 quality throwing yayo Kaizer FC athi sibonenzane Kaizer FC corner kick yayo Kaizer FC sambili isikhathi shonile ilanga ngeke ngithanda ukubashonela iKaizer FC sambili isikhathi athi sibone ukuthi izoyenzani Kaizer FC izobafuna ngamakhanda izoyenzani athi sibone ngamakhanda wabuza eceleni kwebhale eceleni kwebhale goal kick yayo 18 quality uyashisa lo mdlalo ziyayenzakala eNaturena kuyona Easter Top 8 soccer tournament ziyayenzakala ziyakhipha ziyaphohloka ngalo ibhola okuyinto enhle engibonayo khona lana eNaturena hamba phambili ngamagoli amabili 18 quality ilandele emuva ngegoli elilodwa Kaizer FC engazi ukuthi izokwazi uku-equalizer ngoba siyazi iqembu eliphumelelayo liya kuwona ama-semi-finals ngoba yiwona umkhumula jezi asikho isikhathi sebengekhanda umdlali wayo Kaizer FC phumela ngaphandle okuzoba yona drawing yayo Kaizer FC 18 quality what a pass let's see what we do this phakathi shaya ibhola phezulu wamabhale it was a rebound ushayile lo mfana kodwa inhlanhla ayibanga ngakuye uwareskele khiphela ngaphandle okuzoba yona throw-in yayo Kaizer FC khiphela ngaphandle umdlali wayo 18 quality utasimoja isikhathi sifuna ukuphepha thiwa ofsa foul throw how does one izowenzani umdlali wayo 18 quality 18 quality 18 quality 18 quality hiya phambili hiyahlasela 18 quality bathi shaya imoto ibuyele emuva Kaizer FC sebenza umdlali wayo 18 quality thumela phambili 18 quality isafuna amanye amanqaku thumele ngaphandle ibhola okuzoba i-throw-in yayo Kaizer FC elandele emuva ngamagoli amabili kwelilodwa nangundlela Kaizer FC hadisibonenzani Kaizer FC nayihlasela Kaizer FC sebenza hadisibona batheni corner kick or free kick yayo Kaizer FC sambili isikhathi kungahle kube i-free kick yabo eyokugcina. Sambili isikhathi awudisibone izowenzani ngalo le bhola. Kaizer FC sambili isikhathi thanda ukubashonela i-Kaizer FC. Awudisibone ngenzani ngayo le free kick. Awudisibone Petho yena undlela uyena ophambi kwalo ibhola kodwa la neNaturena bamazi ngalo likaJomo. Awudisibone undlela wenzani eqeleni webhale okuyoba yona goal kick yayo Aiden Quality ehamba phambili ngamagoli amabili kweli lodwa. Uyashisa lo mdlalo. Awudisibone thumela phambili. Awudisibone ngamakhanda sebenza umdlali wayo Kaizer FC. What a pass, what a touch. Kaizer FC lamshiya umdlali wayo iKaizer FC. Sambili isikhathi mabaphethe ibhola iKaizer FC ayisamosha isikhathi ilithumela phambili ifuna uku-equalizer. Njengamanje kuyona goal kick yayo Kaizer. Aiden Quality. Awudisibone Aiden Quality wenzani. Aiden Quality. Awudisibone sebenza uNozente. Awudisibone Kaizer FC amdlala yabo umdlali wayo iKaizer FC okuzoba yona free kick yayo Kaizer FC. Awudisibone izowenzani Kaizer FC ngalo le bhola. Awudisibone izowenzani. Sambili isikhathi khona balethile khona bazoyilanda siyazi ukuthi knockout umkhumulo jezi. Thumela phambili bafuna ngamakhanda sebenza ngekhanda umdlali wayo Aiden Quality nangu undlela ngekhanda umdlali wayo Kaizer FC sebenza obusa thumela ngaphandle okuzoba yona goal kick yayo Aiden Quality. Awudisibone enzani Aiden Quality. Thumela phambili Aiden Quality. Lamdlula okuzoba yona throw-in yayo Kaizer FC. Thumela phambili Kaizer FC muhle undlela yona throw-in yayo Aiden Quality. Thumela phambili Kaizer dlala ngebhola. Kaizer sambili isikhathi. What a pass wabusa phakathi. Play on Kaizer okusaseyona iKaizer sebenza umdlali wayo Aiden ngekhanda. Kaizer iyahlasela iKaizer nayo iKaizer gibela ngaphandle kuzoba yona corner kick yayo Kaizer FC ethanda ukuba yingozi esikhathini samanje. Iyahlasela iKaizer iyafuna elinye inqaku ifuna uku-equalizer iKaizer. Sambili isikhathi thanda ukushona okusaseyona iKaizer. Iyahlasela phakathi iKaizer nayo okuyoba yona ibhola layo Aiden Quality. Ibhola layo Aiden Quality okuyoba throw-in. Awudisibone khona okwenzakalayo ngalo khona umdlalo abampushayo. khona umdlalo abampushile wayo bapushana umdlali wayo sicela mama ngicela bampushile umdlalo wayo Khize Aiden Quality Aiden wadlala ngebhola umdlali wayo Aiden Quality dlala ngebhola hadisibona saseyona Aiden Quality hadisibona to a free kick yayo Aiden Quality free kick here 18 Quality hadisibona izonsani ngale free kick 18 Quality izobusa uzobafuna ngamakhanda angazi mina ukuthi uzobuza na uzolifaka ukuthi balifake ngamakhanda phakathi hadisibona ufuna ngamakhanda ubuza Phumela ngaphandle zoba throw yayo Kaizer FC Phumela ngaphandle saseyona throw yayo Kaizer FC Kaizer FC 18 nice defense from Giona 18 Quality Kaizer nayi Kaizer yahlasela kusaseyona iKaizer nayi Kaizer phakathi eboxini wabuza eqoleni wepale abasamosha isikhathi abadlali bayo iKaizer baya phambili mabaphethe ibhola njengamanje kuyona goal kick yayo 18 Quality waphela umdlalo lapho 18 Quality iphumelela ngamagoli amabili kwelilodwa hiyo washijezi iKaizer FC lapho asizokhuluma manje no captain my captain from Guyona 18 Quality captain my captain what a beautiful match today. What can you say with your match today?
Yeah, it was tough, but it wasn't easy. At least we managed to get a win. Yeah, I give thanks to my boys. Yeah.
As you are saying, you've managed to give a win. You were behind, but you've managed to equalize and win the match. Now you are moving to a semi-final. What would you say to your supporters? You are going to show them what you've showed them today.
Yeah, we are going to come up and show that we can do better in the semi-finals and do more to get a win in the next game.
In halftime, what the coach said to you, because second half, your game has changed. Beginning of the match, you've been attacking all the way. You were just unlucky to score.
Yeah, you know, you were trying to get more goals, but we read the game and you saw that how it was going. You were supposed to defend. At least let's have a win. It's something. Yeah.
What I like with your team, you are wearing a Kaizer Chiefs jersey. Are you all supporting Kaizer Chiefs in your team?
Not all of us, but Kaizer Chiefs is a big team, so each one of us is trying to get an opportunity to go there. So if you get a chance, we're willing to make it happen.
Thank you very much, Captain.
Sure, thanks.
You had we spoke to my captain. Njengamanje mina ngiyasho ngithi kuhle lana eNaturena ngazuthi khona engizokhuluma naye man of the match. Yathi ngikhuluma no man of the match. Sondela duzane wami ngikuza ukuthi uzizwa kanjani ngibonile umdlalo wenu bomuhle kakhulu. First half benilandela emuva kodwa nakwazi uku-equalizer nakwazi nokuscora another goal ngoba i-2-1 ungasitshela nje kuphela ngomdlalo wenu.
Hayi sijabulile ngomdlalo wethu udlale kahle kwaba mnandi any game vele besiphethe ezandleni zethu enakukho kuhlulile siyabonga idlale kahle siyabonga.
Njengoba bokuyi half time icoach iye yathini ngoba second half manibuya nidlale ungidlula first half okuqaleni nje ko second half you are always attacking.
Hayi ucoach uye wasitshela ukuthi sibuye sizodlala ibhola kube ngazathi siqala igame sayiqala phansi igame enikho nje obaswinile ngoba cause igame siqale phansi asifaka ngengqondweni.
Ungathini kubalandeli benu ngoba abalandeli benu bajabulile ngibabonile ba celebrate nani njengoba namanje niyakuwona ama semifinal and siyazi ukuthi iqembu elizophumelela yilona elizohamba nayo le prize enkulu engafuni ukuyisho.
Singajabula soqhubeka njalo siphumelele until size sife phambili sibone ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Okay ngiyabonga
kahle siyabonga abalaleli.
Nizwile ngempela masikhuluma naye captain my captain khona lana eNaturena kuyona top 8 Easter Soccer Tournament mina ngisasha ngithi ziyakhipha ekasi eNaturena samba phansi keep on watching champion circuit.